Kids, how are you all? I am your computer teacher, Arpita Nimani. Today, we will go to the fourth chapter of your textbook, Know Your Keyboard. Okay? So, all of you, take out your textbook and sit with your book. So children, let's get started. As we know, a pencil or a pen is needed to write in a notebook. In the same way, we can write on computer with the help of keyboard. Right? We need pencil or pen to write in a notebook, but we cannot write with pencil or pen on a computer. For that, we need a keyboard. Okay? So we will study about keyboard and the keys on it in this chapter. We know that the keyboard has different types of keys on it, and we can type by pressing keys on the keyboard of a computer. In this chapter, we will learn alphabet keys, number keys, spacebar key, and enter key on a keyboard. Okay? Alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are used for typing words and sentences. Look at the figure given below. The alphabet keys are colored in green and pink color. Okay? All these keys from A to Z are called alphabet keys. Okay? On page number 35 of your textbook, on the second keyboard, you have to color the letters of your best friend's name. Okay? And on page number 36, above the number keys, two keyboards are given. On the first keyboard, you have to color all the alphabet keys. All the alphabet keys, only from A to Z. And on the second keyboard, you have to color the alphabets of your name. Like, if your name is Lalit, you have to color only the letters which comes in your spelling. Okay? Now, let's move to number keys. The number keys are used for typing numbers. These keys are also known as numeric keys. These are used for typing numbers on computer. We have two numeric keypads on our keyboard. Okay? On page number 37 of your textbook, three keyboards are given. On the first one, you have to color number 79 on both the numeric keys. Means the one which is shown in the picture below and the one on the right side of the keyboard. On both the numeric keys, you have to color numbers 7 and 9. On the second keyboard, you have to color both the numeric keys in orange color. Means on both the sides, from 1 to 9, you have to color orange. On the third keyboard, you have to color numbers 1, 5 and 0 on both the sides, on both numeric keypads. Okay? Now the third key is spacebar key. The spacebar key is used to insert blank spaces between two words or letters. Okay? It is used to give space between two words or letters. This is the longest key on the keyboard. Longest key. As you can see in the picture below, the red mark which is given in this rectangle shape, the longest key on the keyboard is space bar key. Okay? Now let's move to the fourth key, enter key. There are two enter keys on your keyboard. The enter key is pressed to move to the next line. When we type anything, to move to the next line, we press enter key. In the pictures shown below, both the enter keys are highlighted. One in green color and the other in blue color. On page number 39 of your textbook, on the keyboard given, you have to color both the enter keys in green color and the longest key, spacebar key, in red color. Okay? With this key, we complete our chapter, Know Your Keyboard. Now in this picture, all the keys are shown. You can see alphabet keys, numeric keys, enter key in yellow color and all other keys. Now, as we are done with the chapter, let's move to the exercise of your textbook. So, all of you open page 40. Question number 1. Group the keys of the same type by drawing a circle around them. In the picture, two types of keys are given, alphabet keys and number keys. We have to differentiate them. Means you have to make one circle around the alphabet keys and the other circle around all the number keys. Okay? Question number 2. Match the following. A. On it is written R. So, it is a alphabet key. So, match it with alphabet key. B. It is written number 3. Number 3 means it is a number key. So, match it with number key. C. This is the longest key, children. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar. So match it with space bar key. And D. This is enter key. Enter is written on it. So match it with enter key. Page number 41. Question number 3. Count the number of keys of each type in the given figure and write it in the blanks below. On the keyboard, you have to find how many enter keys you can see. So there are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Okay, so you have to write 2. Alphabet keys are 26. From A to Z, 26 letters are there. So alphabet keys are 26. Space bar, only one space bar key is there. So 1. And number keys of each type it is asked. So you don't have to write and count both the numeric keypads. Only you have to count from 0 to 10. So 10 number keys. Okay. So write 10. Question number 4. Look at the pictures of the keys below. Write the names of each key below them. The first picture is the longest key, which is space bar key. So write space bar key. The second picture is of enter key. So write enter key there. Okay. Question number 5. Some keys of the keyboard are having fun. Most of them are small in size, but one of these keys is bigger than others. Circle it and write its name. See in the picture, children, all the keys are smaller in size, but only one key is the bigger and the longest key. We already studied which is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key. So circle it and write space bar in the blank. Page number 42. Question number 6. Look at the wall with keys on it. Count the number of alphabet and number keys and write them in the spaces provided. On the wall, different letters and numbers are written. We have to count how many alphabet are there and how many number are there. So when we will count, we will see there are 7 alphabet and 3 number. So in alphabet keys we will write 7 and in number keys we will write 3. Okay. Question number 7. Who am I? We have to identify the name of the key. A. Longest key on the keyboard. Longest key is space bar. B. Key used to move to the next line. Which is the key used to the next line? Enter key. C. These are used for typing letters. For typing letters we use alphabet keys. Okay. Thank you.